Hi, my name is Kenneth Mabry, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Start screen on Windows 10. In Windows 10, Microsoft built in a split Start screen. On the left side, you'll notice a Start screen that looks similar to Windows XP or Windows 7. On the right side, you'll see something that looks a lot like Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. Let's start with taking a look at the Windows XP side of the Start screen. You'll see you have your picture, your login, underneath that, your most used applications or programs, File Explorer, Settings, Power, and All Apps. Let's click on All Apps. This will look a lot like clicking the Programs button on the Windows XP or Windows 7. You'll see a list of all of your programs and applications installed on the computer. Settings works a lot like your control panel. You'll be able to open it up for options on how to change or modify things in your computer. Power, of course, allows you to sleep, shut down, or restart your computer. Now let's take a look at what I've added. I've added my documents. We're going to take a look at how to add or remove tiles in this menu. To do so, right-click on your desktop and select Personalize. Then select Start. Finally, click on Choose which folders appear on Start. It will give you a list of options which you can turn on or off. Maybe I want to turn off File Explorer and My Documents, but I want to turn on Personal folder. Now that I've made those changes, I'll close out of this and reopen my Start screen. You'll see My Documents and File Explorer no longer on here, but I now have a link directly to my Personal folder. Next is the interactive or live tile side of the Start screen, what looks like Windows 8. While we're over here, we can resize the whole Start menu. Place your cursor on the edge until you see the double arrow, click and drag to make it bigger or taller. Next, you can add or remove Windows tiles. To remove a tile, right-click on it and select Unpin from Start. If you would like to add a tile, you can right-click on it and then select Pin to Start. You can then click on it, hold, and drag it around to put it where you would like. If you would like to add a program that's not shown here, let's say Skype, and you're not quite sure where it is, just click on the search bar and type it in. You can then right-click and select Pin to Start from there. Now you'll see it is here. I'm going to remove it. You can also resize tiles. Right-click on a tile, click Resize, and select your size preference. If you have a lot of tiles, you may want to put them into groups. You can rename your groups by clicking on the double bar menu that appears, and typing in your preferred name. If you'd like to create a second group, just pull one down below until you have at least one tile in that group, and you'll have the option to name that group as well. Finally, if you're having difficulty finding a particular program, just type it into Cortana or say, "Hey Cortana," and Cortana will start listening and try to find something for you. That's it for the Start screen.